Assalamu alaikum. Hey, what's up, guys? This is Farooq, and welcome back to Farooq Ahmad. Hope you guys are all doing awesome, guys. Today video is unusual than normal, as today we're going to open over iPad Pro 2024 M4 11-inch edition. So let's get started, guys, and stay tuned, guys, for more videos where I'm gonna install, play the PUBG Mobile and different game on this amazing machine. And also, I will be comparing iPad Pro 2024 M4 with A12 Bionic chip, the iPad Pro. This is 2020, like 4-year-old one. So we're going to compare with both devices, with the heat temperature, with also the gameplay, smoothness, and frame drop and everything. So stay tuned for those videos. But today, let's get started. So the one I got is 11-inch iPad Pro Wi-Fi version, 1 terabyte with nano texture glass in a space gray. And yes, I know it's a really expensive device. It's almost cost me 2,800 Canadian dollar with the Apple Care Plus. Unboxing the gadgets always have a special kind of satisfaction. And this is what right here. And right on the back, if you see in the box, we have the cable, the charger, and also the paperwork. Paperwork is in a different language. But the one thing surprised me, the nano texture glass also include the cleaning cloth. I don't know the normal glass also include this one or not. But with the nano texture, yes, I did receive the cleaning cloth. And just a standard 20-watt Apple charger, and then the braided black cable. That's the really nice add-on. And let's take a look on the iPad. The color is definitely more on the darker gray side. And if you see the nano texture glass, it has a less glare and really nice feel to hold it, like the touch on the screen. On the right side, I have my old iPad, is more shiny, and the fingerprint magnet. This thing I have to clean like every second or third game. And let's start up and fire up this iPad and set it up. While I set it up, and also I'm gonna right away update the iPad. And meanwhile, we're gonna take a look how does new iPad M4 compare to the 2020 A12 Bionic iPad Pro. Right on the back, I can see the brand new iPad is thinner, slimmer, and way lighter. For me to upgrade on this amazing iPad is because I have the old 2020 iPad A12 Bionic chip. And after the cleaning is some fingerprint magnet. Just after cleaning, you can see my fingerprints. Where on the brand new one, you hardly can see the fingerprints. With the nano texture glass, the smoothness is really fine because I have a really sweaty hands. On top of that, I just updated the iPad and now tested out how much time it will take to log in into PUBG Mobile. Keep in mind, the game is not optimized yet for this device, but still, this is like lightning fast. You can see right here, almost took 15 seconds to just directly get into the lobby, where I have already downloaded all the resources and everything. The 90 and the 120 FPS is not unlocked yet, even though on the HDR it's only 30 FPS. So I don't know, your device has a 30, 60 or 90 FPS. Let me know in the comment section below, and also what kind of device you guys have. I will make a special video once we have 120 FPS lock on new iPad Pro. And here the test with the gyro. I think I still have to tweak a little bit on the new device, but overall it's look really fine. If I try to just copy my old hearts, it wasn't copying the right way. So I have to tweak all the hearts and also the sensitivity. So gonna have to use to it after we getting the new device. One thing really surprised me. It's really buttery smooth. I didn't check in the game, but on the training ground also, it feel like I'm playing in the 90 FPS. So 120 FPS on this device, gonna be crazy. And the other thing, after I using like half an hour or more than half an hour, the device temperature was stay the same. I will be making a special video where I will be comparing my old iPad. Right here, you can see the old iPad starting up time is way longer than the brand new, even though the game is not optimized. On the old device, the game is proper already optimized and still take more than like 24-25 seconds. So I will be comparing a special video where the temperature, the FPS, and also the game experience coming up really soon on my channel. So comparison on the sensitivity, yes, I might have to tweak a little bit on the new device. Now, let's talk about the geek benchmark on this amazing device. As you guys can see in the start, it has a 16 gigabyte of RAM. And after running the CPU benchmark, I was amazed. Like literally you can see the single core is 3711 and the multi-core is 14,451. That is more than Intel i9 4900K. And here the comparison with iPhone 15 Pro Max and the last 11-inch M2 iPad Pro. And if we talk about the GPU, and here the benchmark is 52,882 and the comparison with the old devices. But here, if you guys can pause and take a look with the comparison with the old devices. Well, there we go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this amazing iPad Pro 2024 M4 version with 1 terabyte and 16 gigabyte of RAM. Well, there's going to be a lot more content coming on my channel. So stay tuned for that. And there is a bunch of different video with going to be the Samsung with other phone, 120 FPS on PUBG Mobile going to be happening on my channel really soon. Hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friend and like this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you do so and want to see more content like this, then don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Do what you gotta do and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, peace out and Allah Hafiz.